Somebody behind me.
Any more? Right here.
That wasn't smart, dude. You guys weren't ready for that.
We weren't. You just went in without me being here, bruh.
I'm sorry. You gotta keep him on the leash, you know?
Someone's coming. Oh. Heal. I'm running and healing. I'm not with you right now.
I think I got one with shock. Heal yourself. Send grenade. Oh, you see him spotted?
No.
Oh my god, you got that shot on me?
I don't know where they're at all. Are they on the roof?
Oh yeah.
I'm not with you. Come inside down here.
Why are you not with me?
I'm healing still. Heal yourself with medicine first. I got a charge on him. There's a bad spot too.
Oh, he's in here. Broke his shield. Oh, I got freaking stunned by my own thing. They're in there. They're both in there. How did he not get stunned? He got them. He got their asses. They're
Where's the other one at?
in the other room. He's in the store peeking. He's right there. Nice.
Hey, you're a pussy, bro.
You're trash, dude. You guys had the advantage.
Bro, don't
You
run.
still lost. You still lost.
You're a pussy, bro. You're a pussy.
Garbage. Go back
You're
to
a
Stella.
pussy,
Get some
buddy.
training. Train
You're
for
a
like 10
pussy,
more
buddy.
years.
You're a
You're
pussy, bro.
teabag his ass.
Look, hey, you can eat my eat my gooch. Eat it. Just eat it. Eat my gooch.
You
Eat
eat
it.
my
Trash.
Oh,
Get
well,
out of
right,
here.
eating my gooch right now.
Look at you.
Yeah,
Look
thank
at
you,
you.
guys.
Kill
Take
yourself.
Oh, appreciate
Take
that.
it.
Appreciate
Get back to
that.
Stella.
Look at that. It's all loose.
Damn. You're so fucking close, dude.
Garbage. You guys were so mad he just pushed you and killed you. I was like, man, these guys are garbage. Just get them. This game was freaking glitching out on me. That was stupid, and the other doors. Yeah.
Wolfpack, bandages, zip lines. These guys had stuff.
Watch out, watch out.
Ammo. What hit me? What the fuck? A bomb?
Somebody.
I'm stuck.
Somebody, yeah. They're in this room.
Oh, of course I got down. Asshole.
Oh, easy. Fourth party, huh?
Naughty.
Hey, that was all self-defense.
It's incentivized to them to kill. What other?
Somebody here. There's a team here. I broke them. I gotta go finish the last guy. You got him. Oh my god.
Another team immediately.
Third parties.
Rat.
Literally.
A rat.
Yeah, you stupid rat.
Raider.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Trying to shoot him? He's aiming at somebody, huh?
I don't know what they're doing.
Shoot
Are we
him.
trying to fight them?
1, 2, 3. Buddy's around there. You see this buddy?
Yeah, right there.
Down there.
He's jumping around. Rocketeers
the
aiming at
Rocketeers
him,
after
man.
him. Oh god. Nice. I think
He
that
killed
was
him?
it. He killed him.
Raider.
He's trying to loot. Right here. One drop.
Oh.
Watch out.
Oh.
Raider.
Shoot me in the ass, you fucking dick.
His homie's right there. Right there.
Trying to get the advantage height.
He's shooting me again. Damn. He's coming to. He's running. He's picking up his homie probably. I'm running in there, risking it.
I'm coming. You're right there. Oh,
Oh, they're here. God, bro.
ping him.
He's
In there?
He's in there.
By himself or what?
He's running. He's running.
Oh, what?
Oh.
Anyway.
I don't know what he shot you with. Yeah.
Hey, what gun you got?
That's.
Now you want to talk, huh? Those are very nice. Pussy.
Well, I didn't shoot you. Actually, at all.
Nah. You shot me.
Wait, hold on. What gun you got? What gun you got? I'm curious. Oh, you serious? Getting those shots on me from there. This dude. I don't believe that.
Danger by the red tower.
Who else is firing at me?
Bull crap.
Someone's in front of me right here.
Coming. Where's that?
Someone's in front of me. There, you know? There's another person right here. He's gonna come
They're
kill
both
us.
dead.
There's another guy right there. He's coming up towards you. Freaking thing. He's right there.
Guys, they killed me. You gotta kill them. He's up on the roof. He's pushing you. He's right here on the building.
He's gonna kill you.
Right here on me. Yeah. Execute him.
Oh my god.
Look at you. The same guy that killed me. Stupid. Hey, were you the guy spotting from across the map?
Where are you at, my dude?
That's funny.
He's on the roof.
I don't know. Good luck, guys. I'm about to die.
Where are you?
Oh,
Oh, you got
serious?
defib. Nice.
Oh, thank you, man.
Well, we got you, homie. We got...
Watch it, watch it.
You know what?
Oh.
It's time to return
He's
the
right up there.
favor.
He's right there.
Do it
He's right
quick
there.
for their team, man.
Oh, did you get him? Did you get him?
Yeah, I got him.
This guy's with me. This guy's with me. This guy's with me.
Which guy? This guy right here?
No, behind you.
No.
He's
The
right
one
behind
that's
you.
right next to you.
Yeah, I got that guy on the roof. Oh, I didn't put that. I didn't put that.
You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Do you have a teammate still? Can we get your
No,
teammate
no,
up
I
or no?
died.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
It's cool.
You wanna find my body? Go down the left.
Yeah, she's here for duckies, and I'm like, well, I guess we can go ducky hunting. And
know
we're
what?
trying to come
Here.
save everybody. We've seen all your
There's
stuff.
a duck right
Gave you a
there.
duck. Oh, shit.
That's the only
Gave
one
you
I
a
got.
gentle duck.
Wait, why you running away? My body's over there. To the left. Straight ahead. No. Go straight. I'm in the building. Go right. I'm looking good.
Alright, let's go help that guy get his buddy stuff.
Where was
I
your
found
buddy
him.
you down at? Oh, okay.
Oh, you
That's
got
These guns. I'll get it back. Are you guys trying to
Oh,
extract
that's
or are you still trying to...
it. No, we didn't leave, so we can help you, so you...
Yeah, cool.
We have a hatch key, so we don't gotta take an exit.
Yeah, you can go to the hatch.
Oh yeah, we could hatch on this. I thought it was like one of those events that you had.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could have
Yeah,
that?
he's got a
Why
hatch
do
key.
you?
He'll take us to the hatch.
Oh, so heavy.
This is a lot taller.
Oh, you're over encumbered.
No, but... This feels heavy. Oh. Oh.
Ow. Nope, I missed the ledge. My bad.
It happens to the best of us. Oh, you guys for the help. I appreciate it.
No problem.
I downgraded it. Let me break down this fucking total for everybody. Let me bust a rat Jesus. Freaking, I have a whole army on me, and as soon as I die, you get guardian angels around you.
Tell me, man, you just gotta talk to them, and sometimes.
What do you mean? The people that were talking to me were shooting at me. I shot like 3 different people.